Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Diwali to all those who are celebrating it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this image transfer to canvas. So let's get started. First thing that you would need is a canvas, obviously. So this is a 8 by 10 inches canvas that has a flat back and a Liquitex. This is a gel medium in the matte finish. A sponge. This is a beauty sponge that I'll be using to spread the Liquitex. An acrylic paint that is in black, painting brush, a cutter. I'll be using this landscape picture that is printed on a simple A4 size paper on a laser jet printer. So let's begin. Take the canvas and cut this picture as per the size of your canvas. I have already done it here, but you can see some white space peeping through. So what I'll do is I'm going to color that black using the acrylic paint. So color or paint the corners of the canvas with black acrylic paint. You need not be perfect, it's okay. So here we go. I'm going to even cover the edges with black. The title of this video mentions that the struggle is real. So in this video I'm going to show you what all problems you might go through when you do this image transfer. So because even when I tried it, I had my share of struggles, so it's going to be fun. Your canvas will look like once you're done. I forgot to record the bit where I was sticking the picture onto the canvas, so I'll explain it again. So this is Liquitex gel medium in the matte finish. It's a thick white glue. So with the help of a sponge, a beauty sponge that I showed you earlier, I'm going to apply a thin layer of this on the canvas. This is just to show you. I forgot to record that bit, please, I'm sorry for that. So I'm going to apply a good thin layer and stick the image upside down, so the image should face the canvas, and I stuck it. So this is once it's done. See to it that there are no bubbles or air bubble formations on your canvas, otherwise there will be a problem in your image transfer. Here is a quick tip on how to stick the image to the canvas without formation of any bubbles. So here, little by little, keep on applying Liquitex and stick the paper or the image on one side like this, and with the help of your hand just keep on pushing the air out from the image. Like this, there won't be any bubble formation on your canvas. So this is how it looks once it's done. So you have to keep this overnight. So the next day you can see there's a difference in the lighting because the weather was cloudy outside. I'm sorry for that again. Now with the help of water, just spray some water on your on this image and scrub that paper out. So I'm just using upward downward motion with the help of my fingers to remove that white paper. So you can see the image has already transferred. So keep on applying water till you get the best results. But now here is a tip. Just don't apply too much pressure on the paper, otherwise you will scrape that image out. See, you can see some parts of my image has already scraped out. If you see this image, there are a little part of this picture where you can see the white canvas. So I'm going to do a quick touch up with black acrylic paint. So for now, this is a landscape picture, so it's okay, we can do a quick touch up, but with the photos we cannot do a touch up. So please be careful while scraping the paper off. Apply little pressure. Now with the help of a black acrylic paint, I'm going to create uneven edges to this canvas to give it a quick and a nice finish. So I'll be using a tapping motion with the help of acrylic paint on all the edges like so, and I'll be doing it in an uneven pattern. In this photo you can still see a white cast on the picture, so I'm gonna apply water again until all that white cast goes off. So you can keep on applying water, and with the help of that scrubbing motion you can remove that white cast. So don't worry, you can go over it again and again. It's not going to happen in just one finish. And another quick tip would be use lightweight A4 size paper, because the paper which I used was a little thick A4 size paper, but if you use a light A4 size paper, I think there won't be a white cast and you can easily scrub that paper off. So you can go over this image again and again until you remove that entire white cast out. So here I'm doing a quick touch up, like as if I'm painting the picture, wherever I feel there is that white canvas peeping through. So here I'm doing a quick touch up to the picture wherever I can see white canvas. I know I'm repeating things again and again, but just a reminder for you all. This is how your picture will look like once you're done. You can see some white cast around the edges, so I'm going to remove it. Now we are going to apply a coat of Liquitex again. If you have Mod Podge, even you can use Mod Podge in the matte finish or gloss finish to seal in this image transfer. So I'll apply a thin layer and allow it to dry completely. So the next tip that I would like to give you all is, now after applying Liquitex, if you still see white image or white paper on the canvas and you want to remove it, this is a quick tip. Apply water, keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. The Liquitex will melt down. Wipe it up with a tissue paper and you can use water again to remove those white edges. This is how your photo or the image transfer to canvas will look like once you're done. It will look like as if you have purchased it from out. Do give it a try with your personal photos. They will look like as if you have painted them on your own. So do give this DIY a try, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with the tag "The Struggle is Real", because even I wanted to show you what problems you might face when you try this DIY. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Guys, please show some love and subscribe, please. And until next time, bye.